More breaking news here tonight at 6 o'clock. A judge has granted a temporary restraining order for a man who is set to be executed tomorrow night by nitrogen gas. Now, during a hearing tomorrow morning, it is possible the restraining order could be extended.
All right, this comes hours after Jesse Hoffman's team filed an emergency petition to try and get the Supreme Court to halt the execution by this method. WDSU's Ariel Brumfield is live with the latest on the last-minute appeals. Ariel.
Well, ladies, when it comes to the execution of Jesse Hoffman, it's a very fluid situation. It's been a lot of back and forth. Now, as of now, as you said, that execution is set to take place by tomorrow at 7 p.m., but it's possible we could still see some more delays. The clock continues to run down on Jesse Hoffman, set to be executed Tuesday by nitrous hypoxia. A hearing set for Tuesday morning in Baton Rouge could delay the execution, as Hoffman's attorneys hope the Supreme Court steps in.
The important issue before the Supreme Court is whether mental torture, and I think of waterboarding. You know, waterboarding is not physically painful, but it is torture. Does that count as cruel and unusual under the 8th Amendment? And we're asking the Supreme Court to decide this issue.
Hoffman, who was convicted of rape and murder, says death by nitrous hypoxia violates his religious rights as a practicing Buddhist who uses meditative breathing. This comes after the Supreme Court of Appeals cleared the way for the execution to move forward. If the execution moves forward, it will be the first time in the state in 15 years and the first time the state uses nitrogen gas. It's a method used in Alabama 4 times now.
And every single time it has resulted in a 25-minute ordeal where the person is gagging and choking and thrashing on the execution table. We don't want this to happen.
Video shared from litigators shows an emotional plea from one of Hoffman's brothers, making his case for a stop to the execution.
And I know my brother is sorry for what he did. I know he's wishing he can take it back. It's something that he can't take back.
At this time, attorneys say they are waiting to hear from the Supreme Court.
We are in touch with the clerk and they are receiving our papers, but we have not heard any word from the justices.
Hoffman's attorney says that he actually requested execution by a firing squad. Of course, we'll keep you updated tomorrow on that hearing and what comes out of it. Reporting in New Orleans, I'm Ariel Brumfield, WDSU News.
Several